Microchannel aluminum flat tube, small size, thin wall, the bending precision requirements are extremely high. The Microchannel heat exchanger tube bending machine from BOBO is a high-precision and high-efficiency automated solution for microchannel aluminum flat tubes. Welcome to BOBO Machinery. Focusing on the intelligent manufacturing of heat exchange equipment for 25 years, we have our own factory and R&D center. Our equipment serves more than 80 countries around the world, and our customers include Midea, Samsung, LG, Bosch, Siemens, Daikin, Rinnai, and other famous brands. We have this bender. The machine adopts an integrated industrial design, equipped with Japan's imported servo drive. Through the touch interface can be easily set up a number of bending angle. The angle precision control within plus 0.1 degree to ensure that each bend consistent and efficient. Automatic loading system is one of our highlights. It supports automatic adsorption loading, accurate positioning, and can be quickly adjusted according to different specifications of microchannel flat tubes, which is truly a one-click switch. It not only saves labor, but also reduces the error rate and improves the overall production efficiency. Microchannel flat tube thin-walled, easy to deform. The traditional tube bending equipment is easy to flatten or wrinkle. Our microchannel heat exchanger tube bending machine with servo control system with a special mold to ensure that each corner of the precise molding, flat and not deformed, the bending speed of no more than 4 seconds a station, stability and production capacity of both online. Bent pipe fittings with neat edges and corners, no wrinkles, through multiple quality tests, is the perfect shape of the heat exchanger before welding. A machine, the whole production line efficiency improvement tool. At BOBO, we don't just build machines, we offer total solutions with high efficiency and standards. If you are also looking for a high-performance tube bending machine that is really suitable for microchannel flat tubes, feel free to contact us for more technical details.